to look for some recipes, secret recipes. Delicious Cafe in Capo D'Orlando. This guy is very famous for his pastry, his pizzas, espressos, granitas, Italian ices. I'm going to show you how to make them at home today. So follow us over there. We'll have some fun, eat some good food. We'll show you how to make it. Okay?
Capo D'Orlando, the main piazza, and we're going to go to the cafe now. Follow me. So here we are, this is it, the Delicious Cafe in Capo D'Orlando. A place for amazing desserts, main courses, drinks, cafe, gelato, yes. We're going inside now. Kitchen makes some granita now, yeah, to cool off. Well, he's an expert at making Italian ices. He's gonna make for us granita.
Adesso vi facciamo vedere come potete fare la granita a casa. Abbiamo bisogno del ghiaccio.
Okay, so you can make this at home. Normally they have a big machine they make it, but here you just use ice.
Ice e dobbiamo mettere del sale nel ghiaccio in modo che
Fino
sale fino.
They put like
2 kg, sì, mezzo chilo, 1 chilo di sale fino.
Okay, 2 pounds of salt to the ice. This keeps the ice from melting.
Andiamo a mescolare.
Okay, put the salt in there, mix it up with the ice. One time we used to make this with snow. When it snowed, the only time we can make it. I'm going to use this other bowl to
facendo in modo che le pareti della bacinella aderiscano perfettamente col ghiaccio.
yeah, make sure the walls of the ice of the pan touch all around the ice. The colder the better.
E ora andiamo a mettere i nostri ingredienti.
Okay, we have sugar.
Zucchero,
Quanto?
abbiamo 200 grammi di zucchero,
200 grams of sugar.
100 grammi di succo di limone
100 cc's of fresh squeezed lemon juice
e 300 di acqua.
and 300 cc's of water.
Andiamo a mescolare.
Stir it up really good so it gets all blended together. Sugar, lemon, and water. Pour it into the pan, empty pan.
Continuiamo a girare finché il liquido non si solidifica.
You can see that the contents of the liquid is starting to freeze, solidified. From the coldness of the water and the ice all around and outside. Not even 5 minutes. Nemmeno 5 minuti.
Nemmeno 5 minuti e la nostra granita è pronta.
Oh, here we go. Granita. Yes.
Eccola.
Okay, now we got the granitas ready to taste it. See how it is? Ooh, it's very creamy. Wow. Bella. Buono. Beautiful. 5 minuti. 5 minutes to make this Italian ice. Fantastic. Now, the next thing you could do with this is a brioche. It's like a Sicilian croissant, but a little different. So you take this, break up a little piece like that, and then you dip it right in there like that. And wow, back to my childhood. Bravo Franco. He's an expert. If you ever come to Capo D'orlando, come and visit this place here. You probably stay here all day and all night eating everything he makes. Everything's so good. Oh, look at this baby.
My name is Antonella. Questa granita is very good.
Hey, okay, so we had some fun, ate some great food yesterday over there at the cafe. Well, I hope you can make it at home. Just try it. It's easy to cook because you're really making it for yourself. You can't make a mistake. Italian food is easy to cook. You just got to get the flavor. We're right here in the Mediterranean where the flavor is fantastic. Buon appetito! Mangiate buono! Eh? Peace and love to you and spread it around, please. One world, one people, one God, one